Good morning, everybody. Here I am in a sunny Hungary. It looks like it is, I don't know, April, but it's still February, and I'm visiting Adam, who
Hi
is.
everyone.
Hi, Adam. He is, in my opinion, he's one of the legends of the Lada group on Facebook because of his commitment. He has like at least 3 Ladas, and this is his main project. And I will,
Sometimes 10.
yeah, I will show you what that is. Like he's making a precise replica of a Canadian Lada 2106, and his attention to detail is amazing. Like if you look at it, all the minor details they are, I guess, followed more precisely than those at the Lada factory back in the day. Original orange blinkers, then these oil, I think, oil filled dampers. All the
Organic gas.
they are gas?
Yeah.
Oh, they
Gas
are gas,
oil.
not oil. They are gas. Okay. All the stamps and information stickers.
But
Uh-huh.
also have oils.
Right, gas, made in Italy. Fun fact is, I sent lots of those parts from Canada. They were all pretty much dead, and in Adam's magical hands, they came back to life. Um, I just don't remember everything.
Made from the brown car.
All right, he even remembers which one.
Lifted up from the dust.
Uh-huh. Okay, this. This. And he surprisingly even has a dealer option, the air conditioner. I only saw those on pictures, but I never could imagine that I'll see it in real life. It's made by Hitachi, and yeah, it's gonna be not just a Canadian Lada. It'll be, I guess, Luke's version of Canadian Lada. The dash with the buzzer fasten seatbelts, and this dash was also shipped from Canada. I think he's working on this project for at least 8 years, right?
8 or 10, yes.
Or maybe even 10. Unbelievable. So you can imagine that building such a precise replica takes time, and in his case, it's taken. I don't know, so much time that if I was him, I would have given up already because, it's a car, you want to drive it, but looking at this masterpiece, I'm thinking I wouldn't be able to drive it because if any scratch appears or if anything goes wrong with this car, that would be absolutely ruining experience. The red tail lights. The car is missing the rear windshield for now, but it'll be Trampex made in Sweden, just like it should be. And also this original cluster with English letters. Canadian Ladas didn't have speedometers in miles per hour, but that's his own preference to install it.
Yeah.
Um,
Those switches are made by Hala.
oh, right. It's not only not only it has the English signs, but also it's the switch is made by
Made
Hell.
in German.
In Germany, yeah, unbelievable.
Was only nice.
These details like whitewash, pretty much in Canadian version of Lada, everything had a stamp, like touch this button and you'll get this result kind of thing. In European ones, it was more about signs, but here it's all letters. Oh, right, the choke. Choke, yes. This lock is by, where is it? Right, CP. I'm just trying to focus where. Right. Uh-huh. Okay.
That was from Fiat Spider also.
Uh-huh. This also made by Hell. And another thing, this VIN plate that was on the dash on Canadian Ladas. So as you can see, the project is almost finished. Pretty much everything is there. The engine is at a different garage. And maybe we will get to that, maybe not. But it's an enormous amount of work that's been done with this car. And I'll repeat myself, I don't know how it will be possible to drive it because every road is dangerous and this is a state of art, it's not a car. And one more thing that we wanted to show you is a set of original Lada brochures that he collected over the years, something purchased from eBay, something elsewhere. And there's an article written by some guy, Rich Tsepos, back in 1979 in January. So it's one of the first cars that made it to Canada. And if you could see attentively, these blinkers, they are still white and orange. Eventually they were replaced by purely orange ones, like on this Adam's car. So it's one of the first cars. Interestingly, on this brochure, European 2106 is pictured, because you could see once again white and orange blinkers, and the bumper is European, not this massive Niva type that original 2106 had. This is from Germany, yeah, Das Neue.
Also Canada.
Then less interesting models, front-wheel drive.
From 95.
And they won something. Some Canadian rally was won by front-wheel drive Lada. Well, simple and efficient.
Yeah.
In fact, lots of cars that I saw on the junkyard in Canada had propane, which is interesting. Like, the engine is small, it doesn't consume much, especially by the 80s standards, but still lots of people installed propane.
Does the same as on the Niva.
Right. These alloy rims, no, they are not alloy, they are
chrome.
They are chrome, yes. That's the ones that he has on his Niva that he is detailing right now. This is a well-known picture. I see it on the internet a lot. It shows pretty much luxury version of Lada wagon, because it's got the alloy rims and all these stickers and railings and the sunroof. So, yeah. Really cool 2107, I think, yes, Signet.
Yeah. With 2105 bumpers.
Yes, that's how they made it for Canada. And first generation Niva. Oh, here's the thing that we just saw on Adam's Lada, this air conditioner. And my first thought was, if I was a passenger, I'd catch cold in the first 5 minutes of riding on such car.
Printed in Japan.
Interesting. Well, yeah, Hitachi is a Japanese brand. And some, I guess, technical data specifications.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe from Quebec, right?
French
No,
brochure.
oh, French, not Quebec, French. Okay.
Yeah, this is a European version, but with the big bumpers, like in
Yes.
Canada. This also.
That was from Netherlands, you said? And this apparently from Canada.
Yeah. But this was a Soviet brochure.
Soviet with all the technical data and
After
the
export.
address in Moscow, yes, after export. Flying Lada. This is also a well-known picture that I see on the internet often. A really cool one.
And this was for the last Canadian year from 84. This has the new 1.6 liter engine.
I thought they were only there until 83, apparently until 84. Nice.
Yeah. Or maybe in the late 83.
I don't know if it focuses or not, but yeah. Yeah, so as you can see, my claim that Adam is one of the most enthusiastic Lada guys that I know, here's all the proof. And I really hope this project gets finished soon, because always there is something on the way, finances, family and everything. I just cannot wait to see him driving this car, and we'll definitely post that video on the channel later on. Thank you for watching. And one last bit is the engine. We made it to another garage. Here's the Canadian Lada heart that will be soon installed. And it's not just a typical Lada engine, it's got all these small things and bits that Canadian Lada engine should have, like for example these pipes here, they are a part of the system that catches the fumes that how it's like it was one of the ecological requirements to have those on Canadian Lada. Do you have something to add, like how it works maybe?
It works like I don't find the best words. Like EGR valve.
Right. So
it's the very first.
So it's like a grandfather of the EGR, pretty much.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. If I know right, yes.
So as you can see, everything is clean and nice, better than on the factory.
This is a vacuum chamber for the air condition.
Oh.
It's pulling up a little bit the idle when you start the air condition.
So yeah, I really can't wait to see it all functioning on the car. And since now we live not too far away from each other, like 650 maybe kilometers, so 650. So hopefully soon we'll see that running and driving.